y'all. Went out this morning. Had some rototilling I needed to do for some people. And had a flat tire. And it took me all day long to get this flat tire fixed. It's a calcium filled tire. They're heavier than hell. You don't pick them up. And, but that's not what this video is going to be about. Let's see here. Gotta try to get things lined up. What I wanted to make this video about was Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday tomorrow, which by the time you see this video, it will be tomorrow. See, as soon as I get this tire on, I'm going hunting. I'm going wabbit hunting. I'm going to hunt the Easter wabbit, and I'm having wabbit stew for Easter Sunday. And I'm going to put an end, once and for all, to Easter Sunday. Ain't going to be no more Easter eggs, folks, after today. I'm getting the Easter rabbit. You ain't going to have no more eggs. It's all going to be gone. I'm going to fill my belly up with Easter rabbit stew, and it's going to be good. So all you children on out there, you just get used to it. No more Easter. Just like I'm going to put an end to Christmas once and for all, folks. Those holidays are just pointless. There ain't no need to have them. They're a waste of our adults' time. The world will thank me for this. April Fools, y'all have a happy Easter and a wonderful weekend. Bye.
Yeah, y'all come back now here. Now if the women can't find you handy, can't find you good looking like me, just pray that they find you. And that's all I got to say about that. Y'all come back now, you hear?